It is 7:30 in the morning. This is our last day in Mykonos. Liz has just opened the door to let me out. It's so beautiful here, just coming out of our hotel. So pretty. There's already 3 cruise ships here. Oh, bonkers. So strange seeing there's no one around the windmills. No one around. Streets. I'm not really sure where I'm going. I do recognise certain places, but it looks so different when they're all open. Shops open, restaurants are open. It's now about 8:15 and yeah, lots of cafes are opening up. So there is people about, but it is still very quiet. The only thing I'm noticing is that the town is very much still in shade in certain areas. But that's fine. I'm just happy wandering around, taking a few photos here and there. Heading back now to the windmills, making my way back up. Before I see Liz, it's about 8:30. And yeah, it's just been a really nice walk around town. Lots and lots of people are out and about now. So it's amazing how it changes within the hour. This is absolutely packed in the evening. Beautiful little square as you head into Little Venice. Really pretty. Just got back to my room and I'm sweating like a pig. I'm just really hot. I'm fine until I start walking and then it's whoosh. So Liz is having a shower. I'm about to go in and have a shower. It's just gone 9 o'clock, so we're gonna have breakfast in a little while. We've got to leave the hotel at 11 o'clock. Our flight doesn't go until 11:15 tonight. So we've got the whole day in Mykonos, which is brilliant. Yeah, so we're just gonna take it easy, just wander around, have food, have drinks. We've pretty much seen nearly all of Mykonos town now. It's very small. It is very small, but it's so beautiful. But we might walk over to a beach over there, maybe, I don't know. Breakfast views. Last views before we say goodbye. Oh, and you little pussycat. No, you're my little friend. This little one came into our room earlier on and was hiding under the bed. Can you imagine if we didn't know? We just checked out of our hotel. They've got our luggage. We're catching a bus from Fabrica to the airport. I think it's 8 o'clock, so that gives us plenty of time in the airport. No issues with the flight so far, so fingers crossed all will be okay. We are heading now down towards the beach side. We've been to the town, we're going to the beach side now. What I really loved about the hotel is that they, besides keeping our luggage, they've got a restroom and we can come back and have showers and get ready, which is so lovely. The bus station, it is so small. It is so small. But there's 2 bus ticket booths. You can talk to someone for advice about where to go. And there's QR codes for you to scan so that you can see. But this is where we'll be coming tonight to go on the bus to the airport. And walking down here Handy supermarket, open 24 hours a day, so we've been stocking up on our water every day here. You can see the signs here telling you Little Venice and the windmills. It's signposted quite well, not so much in the middle of the town, but on the outskirts so you have an idea where you are. Google Maps is alright, doesn't always work, but if we follow all the way down there, that'll take you directly to the windmills. But we're not going down there today, are we, Liz? We are heading down towards the beachside to see what that's like. There's some look. There was lots of people swimming here the other day. It must have been a lot later then, Liz. Yeah, oh, I don't think I'd fancy it there. All the seaweed. But nice though, just being able to jump off that, or get in off that platform over there. Have another chance to go and see this time, but never mind. We are on this gorgeous beach. I'll pop the name up on the screen what it's called. It's only a couple of minutes walk from Fabrica, where we've come from. It looks nice. A bit windy today though. We just got told off for walking on the wrong side of the road. Well, I didn't hear it, but Liz did. A woman was walking towards us and was saying, don't you know you should walk towards the traffic? But it was a big long stretch and it was just safer for us because it is crazy here, absolutely crazy, with all the quad bikes, motorbikes and cars. So no regrets. We're walking towards the windmills, which you can see there. This is where we came into town the other day. Very, very pretty. And we're going to go for a drink. We're on the square just before the view for Little Venice. I've had a mocktail. It looks a mess now. It's really nice. It's €12 for a virgin mojito, beautiful, with watermelon. We're going to go for a walk around, do a bit of shopping, then we're going to get some food somewhere. We'll try and find somewhere. We're just really chilled. It's just nice here. It's not too crowded. It's just really, really lovely with nice views. Looking for a really great public toilet. Type in or search for the Gucci shop and it's right there. Really nice toilet, nice and clean. So we pretty much walked all through the town, keep ending up in the port. I feel like we haven't missed anything then, you know? The only thing I would have liked to have done is gone for a swim. No problem, we had a bit of fun in the pool, and that was alright. Yeah, definitely recommend coming to Mykonos. It's beautiful. Yeah, so this is our view for now. It's dark. The sea down by Little Venice, over there. It's really rough. So it's nice actually coming up here and having the breeze. Especially now we feel all nice and clean. Ready for our overnight flight. Oh my gosh. We get into Bristol Airport at around 1 o'clock. And yeah, it's gonna feel like 3 o'clock to us in the morning, isn't it? We might see a sunset before we go then. We are just about to leave now, and it's so nice. Definitely recommend this hotel in Mykonos.